Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, man, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It's hard to get a standing ovation when somebody plays golf all the time, but there it is. Thank you very much. Thank you. Of course, that's the biggest record that you've given me so far. I know I have a few left in me, but one of the band positions in Britney Spears' band has to open up, and you have another hit. You might remember that song from the movie, The Ten Commandments. Moses comes down there. This is the... Anyway, God blessed me with that song, so I was lucky to have that. And, good song, pretty good movie. We had a good time, didn't we? I had a wonderful time being here for the Levitt Amphitheater.